Hi everybody, good afternoon. It's afternoon right now. But yeah, good afternoon. Today is September 28th. Today is September 28th. Currently 4:44. Oh my gosh, 4:44. 4:44 p.m. and I am on my way to Ninong Ugo's place kasi guys. Sige, sasabihin ko na dito kasi matagal ko pa naman ilalabas to. Like, siguro after pa. I am making my first music video! Oh my God! I'm making my first music video and we're shooting it at Ninong Ugo's Pottery Place. Super saya nang nangyayari so far. Actually, pagkalabas pa lang ng Walang Kapalit. Walang Kapalit is the song I recently released this month, September, yeah. Pagkalabas pa lang niya, I think I was out with my cousins. Tapos, I got this random chat from my Ninong Ugo na he really liked the song. Tapos may mga kunento siya na super funny. Anyway, tapos kinanta ko siya kay Ray Ray. Tapos sabi ko, Ray Ray, do you know Ugo Bigyan? He's my Ninong and he really liked the song kasi Ray Ray was the one who wrote it. So I wanted to tell him. Tapos parang na-shookening si Tito Ray Ray na parang, Ninong mo siya, ganyan. Tapos he thought of this idea of, what if we make a music video and we shoot it at your Ninong's place? Kasi he's a potter, ganyan, and he has this an inspiration from the film Ghost na meron dun pottery scene. Tapos sabi ko, nung una parang, kasi initially, what's in my mind that time, if I were to make a music video for Walang Kapalit, gusto ko parang buy-bust operation na inspired ako dun sa buy-bust movie ni Ann Curtis. Tapos narinig ko na yung Ghost film, pottery. I was like, what? First and foremost, I haven't watched the film, so like, I don't know anything about it. Sabi ko, sige, I mean, I'm always open to ideas. Hindi naman ako, ito lang yung gusto ko, ito yung mangyayari, no? I'm not like that. I like collaborating with people. So, when I got home, that night also, Ray Ray sent me a link to the Ghost scene, na parang pottery scene. I watched it, tapos parang, pwede nga, no? Tapos parang nagbe-brainstorm kami ng kapatid ko, pati ng pinsan ko, si Ate John nandun. Tapos parang, okay, sige, let's put a pin in this. Tapos, let's see where it goes. Tapos, ayun, parang, we had this get-together in the Poly East office. Tapos, I spoke to our creative director, si Laura. Tapos sabi ko, Laura, I have this idea of making a music video for Walang Kapalit. Tapos sabi ko about the ghost, blah, blah, blah. About something siya, ganyan. Parang, I don't know, biglang nakarating siya sa Big Boss, kay Miss. Tapos, fast forward to, I had this interview with sa TV5, and then Miss and I were talking about plans for me, for yung mga music videos, blah, blah, blah. Tapos, she said na parang baka we could park muna music video for this EP, because, yeah guys, release nga pala ako ng EP. For sure, pag nilabas ko tong vlog na to, lalabas na lahat. So, naglabas ako ng EP. So, go stream it. Everything's there. Walang Kapalit's there. Yeah. So, baka park muna natin music video for the EP. Maybe we could do music video next year for the new songs. Anyway. So, parang at that point, when we were at TV5, parang sabi ko, okay, sige, okay lang. But then, my mentor, Ray Ray, parang sabi niya, minsan talaga parang, syempre, hindi nagkaka-agreean ng what we want with what the label wants. And that's okay. Pero, if we really want it, magagaling sa atin na yung, like, the budget and everything. So, I spoke to my mom. And my mom was G naman. Sobrang swerte ko talaga sa nanay ko, guys. So, yeah. And now, we're here. Flashback to last week, Monday. What date was that? Last week, Monday is September 16. I was in my condo. And I was like, I think I really want to make the music video. So, I called Diane Galang. Diane Galang has been a friend of mine since elementary. That girl, she's a few batch lower than me. So, medyo bunso siya. So, ayun na nga. Tinawagan ko siya. Sabi ko, Diana, I have this idea of making this music video. Are you game if ever? Ganyan. So parang really sumusuntok ako sa buwan. And she was game. Tapos sabi ko, sige, gawin natin to. So I spoke to my mom and everything. And then, once I have everything settled, I have my people to make it, to help me out. I told the label. I presented everything to the label. I gave them reasons why I wanted to make the music video. Why this music, out of all the music sa EP, who's gonna be the director, who's gonna be the producer, where's the venue. I have it all planned and laid out for everybody. So parang at that point, I was like, okay, this everything na lalabas for this music video is coming out of, you know, sa pocket ng nanay ko. Tapos, I don't know, after the presentation, the label messaged me and said, okay, game, will pitch in. What? The vaccine, parang, wala naman akong. But I was really, really grateful. I was really thankful. Kasi, alam mo yun, parang, meron kayong, wala naman kayo na-expect, pero may dumating. Sarap pala sa pakiramdam. And I don't know, parang, the whole process of planning for this music video, sobrang saya siya on my end. Because, I get to play. I get to play and create this story and translate this story into a music video and relate the story to the music video, and somehow this story relates to how I am as a person. I think. Don't judge me. But anyway, ayun. And now we're here. I am going to the location. I'm gonna coordinate with my ninong na these are the places, specific places in the venue that we would like to shoot. Here are the places that we need for the shoot, ganyan. So that's what's gonna happen. And I am bringing him some mangosteen. I don't know where my mom got the mangosteen, but I'm bringing him mangosteen. Feeling ko kasi Little Red Riding Hood na may dalang fruits for the grandma, but the grandma is my ninong. You guys should follow my ninong. He's super, super artistic. His name is Ugo Bigyan. And he's my ninong ever since I was born. Yeah, ever since I was born, he's my ninong na. Yeah, I love my ninong. We vibe. Ninong, if you're watching this, yung crush ko, hindi na yata niya ako crush or wala na siyang interest sa akin, so hahanap na lang ako ng ibang crush. Anyway, so yeah, I'm on my way. Here's what the road looks like right now. I'm gonna insert some clips of like the planning and everything in between this vlog siguro. And also, my leading man, I have a co-actor for this music video, and it's none other than Ron Macapagal. He's also from my label Poly East, and super fun na he's gonna be my co-actor for the film. I heard he's an actor and he's also a singer, so you guys should check his Spotify, Apple Music. He's a really good singer. Yeah. What else? Oh my gosh, there's so much happening this October. Ah! I am so excited, guys. Sana hindi mawala yung yung energy. I just want to keep going and going. And I don't know, lately, it has been so much fun. Wala akong masyadong sleep, but I am happy. I cannot explain it. The past week, before this happy energy came in, I was crying. I was legit crying, bawling my eyes out every day. I was having breakdowns every hour. I don't know why. I thought I was going crazy. But here I am right now and I'm so happy. Life. Feeling ko life lang yun. Minsan lang kailangan talaga ilabas yung kaartehan natin para mas lumabas yung artistic side. Question mark, question mark. I don't know! But yeah, ayun. I'm so happy, guys. I hope you guys are happy right now while you're watching this. Because I'm really, really, really... Ay, thank you, Lord. Lord, maraming salamat. The best ka. Magdadrive na ako.
By the end of the music video, prepares to propose and up until towards the ending. So, yung visual pegs ko dito, sorry, hindi ko kasi malink yung videos. Pero excited ako, sorry.
Excited din ako. Ay, ang taray! May pagunon! Ahem. What the heck? Okay. Game.
So, before ko i-conceptualize kasi yung before this one, siya din siya kung paano ko release nung tapos.
Kakalbuhin kita eh. Ang dami sinasabi.
Tapos ayun, so presentation, hearts on the wheel. Kasi since na-mention ni Derek na parang gusto mo nga ng what do you call this? Yung parang may battery seat. So sabi ko parang since may hugot din at somehow manipulation na nangyayari dun sa lyrics, why not kasi malleable or kasi vulnerable ng clay yung puso ng mga tao, and when it comes to relationships, gano'n naman, parang kapag nag-commit ka, hawak mo yung puso, hindi lang yung isip ng tao. So yun yung napapaglaruan, and at the same time, pinagaan ng responsibilities and biglang mag-turn into toxic, hindi na naging okay. So, yun yung napagnilagan ko sa inyo kanta. So, ayun, hopefully na-gets mo yung...
Yeah, thank you so much. Na-appreciate ko yung really dinissect mo yung kanta. Thank you.
Yeah.
Kinikilig ako. Ay, totoo ba? Sige nga, kantahin mo from start to finish.
Umalis yung mga nasa.
Joke lang. Oh, go.
Then, you'll be playing your own names in a way. So, yun, si Glorian, you're a 26-year-old living with your boyfriend, and during your relationship, may dalawang persona na pinapakita. Yung isa, sa'yo lang, yung isa, kasama yung boyfriend mo. And yung kapag kasama mo si Ron, you're fun to be with, you like to do art, you play the music. So, yung bahay, hindi bahay, yung bedroom nyo represents how you are both as an individual and how you are both as a couple. So yun, simply, you are the epitome of a green flag guy. Parang yun yung gusto ipakita sa'yo nung music video. And now you're at the point of your life where you want to set the bedroom lang rin. So, to, give context, yung bedroom nyo is like this apartment space. So, andito lahat. May dining area, may... Si Glorian, she's finishing her coffee. Tapos si Ron, tapos na. And then parang nasa part na lang na nangaasar na lang si Ron. Since there's no dialogue to be, walang maririnig na dialogue naman dito, we're free to parang give a context na lang kung ano yung pag-uusapan. But ang pinaka-idea ko dito is parang nangaasar lang si Ron kay Glorian, si Glorian napipika. Parang ganon. And then,
pa naman.
Grabe. Feeling ko pagkatapos na panood din to music video, daming galit. Mami, death threats na ako. Hello everybody, what's up? It's Glorian from the future. It's a little bit later. And I just wanted to end that vlog over there. So this is the first part of the behind the scenes of Walang Kapalit music video. Yeah, really excited for you to see it. It's already out. Today's October 4, by the way, so it's not yet out. But to you guys, when this is posted, it's already out. The music video is out. Go check it out and watch it. And I hope you really like it. Kung hindi, okay lang din. Yeah, stay tuned for more behind the scenes. Yeah. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you very, very soon. Bye-bye.